Let's draw Santa Claus going down the chimney.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's do a rectangle. And then 2 lines for the chimney. And then we'll add in the stones on the side of the chimney. And now we need to add Santa. His belly is big, so it will be here. Trying to get into or out of the chimney. Do you think he's going into the, let's say he's going into the chimney. He's going to use his magic and go down the chimney. So whether his belly is too big or not, that does not matter. Because Santa Claus has magic and is able to go down the chimney no matter what. So this is one of his cuffs, and then we're going to make his mitten. Just draw, it's like a little candy cane here. And then we're going to draw a curve. Comes around like that. Next, we're going to do in the other arm on this side. Okay, and then we'll do that cuff. It's a bunch of curves. Kind of looks like a little cloud. And then we'll do on this side the mitten. This is like another candy cane there, going the opposite way. And then a curve for the rest of the mitten. Now we're going to draw the beard. Now the beard is going to be very similar to the cuffs. We'll start here on the side of his head, and we will add that series of curves. Have it go all the way around like that. Now here, we're going to add 2 lines. 1, 2, and then we're going to add a curve. Like that. We're going to put his mouth in there. His mustache is right here. We'll put the mouth in here, so let's add a smile. 1 curve, and then another curve right below it. You can color that in. And then we're going to draw 2 more lines. This is his mustache. Like that. We want to leave that opening there so we can add in his nose. So we're going to draw an oval for the nose. Now, we're going to add in his eyes. Do these ovals for eyes. We're going to add in 2 lines. 1, 2. Now, we're going to draw the brim of his hat, which is like a fur kind of brim. I don't know what that's called. This area of his hat. It's not, I don't know if that's because it's not rigid. Fur. There's got to be a name for it. I don't know what it is. I'm going to look it up in a bit after I finish making this. Maybe I'll add it at the end of the video. Now we're going to add 2 lines. 1. Make this more of a curve here. And then we're going to add a little puff at the top. There we go. Now we're going to add some more fur around the lining of his pocket on this side and on this side. And then we have to add more fur that's going to go around here. This is going to be where he buttons up his coat. So we'll have it go around his collar and then down the middle and then up here. And there we go. We have Santa. Let's see, what else do we need to do here? Maybe it should be snowing. We can add that. Maybe we'll add that. Actually, we could add that now. We'll add some little snowflakes. They could be little circles falling. Make some in front of him, and then it looks like, doesn't look like the snow is avoiding him. It's falling in front of him too. We just have to remember not to color those because they're white. So now we are going to color. Speaking of color, let's see. This probably should be a dark sky. So let's make black. Get out my bag of Kwik Stix. I've got to have black in here somewhere. Here's one. Okay. So we're going to color the sky black because it's nighttime. Just have to do our best not to get any black onto Santa's outfit here. Or onto those snowflakes. I made this drawing a lot more difficult when I added those snowflakes. What I could have done is drawn the whole thing and colored it all in black and then added white paint, because you could put white paint on top of the Kwik Stick and it would look white still. It wouldn't bleed. But I didn't do that. I could do that, but I don't know where my white paint is. So we'll just do it this way. Now there is a white Kwik Stick, but you wouldn't, it's too transparent, you wouldn't be able to see the white on top of the black. And I can actually show you that if you would like to see it. It would look like gray. It wouldn't look like pure white snow. So I'm just going to color all this in. And what color will everything else be? Well, obviously Santa's coat and hat will be red. You can make it any color you want, because it's your drawing. Almost colored his hat, but I didn't, but I almost did. Almost done with the black. Okay, so now I'll move on to the red Kwik Stick. Santa looks pretty jolly, if I do say so myself. Okay, so now we don't want to color his beard. We do want to color his coat and his mittens. What color should I make his mittens? I suppose I could make them red. I guess I can make them any color I want. I think I'd want to make them a darker color red if I had it, but I don't. So I might just make them this red color. Or maybe I'll make them green. Green and red are Christmassy kind of colors. Maybe I'll make them green. Let's make them green. Okay, so I'll do the dark green. There we go. Now, for the stonework, I have brown. Suppose I can make it brown. I want to make it a lighter brown, but what I could do is I could put this brown, and then I can use white on top of this, and that'll make it a little bit lighter. It'll make it a whole lot lighter, but it'll make it a little bit lighter. I guess it did make it a lot lighter. But you see how it's not completely white on top of it? That's why we didn't use this for the snowflakes. See, I'll show you. I'll do one over here. Oh, wait, look at that. What? Hold on. That looks pretty good. Wow. It still looks a little gray, but I think this is fine. So this will work. If I do it over here. Look at that. Okay, so now that did work out. We need a light gray, which I don't have any gray Kwik Stix. I know they make them. Oh wait, nope, that's still the brown. Yep, that's still the brown. I have colored pencils though. Where did I put those colored pencils? Oh, here they are. I have some gray here. So I'm going to use gray to color this in. And then I'm curious what the colored pencils would look like on top of the Kwik Stix on the red. I'm curious if I can add some color with colored pencils on top of the Kwik Stix. Let's try it out. Let's see. If I have a darker red here. You can kind of see it, yeah. Not much, but you can kind of see it. Okay, just want to add a little bit of shading there. Now I'm going to add, let's see, I'll finish Santa here. Go. Go with rosy cheeks. Oh, almost forgot around his mouth. Okay. And I'm just adding just a little bit of scribbles with the gray for the beard and for the fur. Okay. And then we'll add a light brown for the chimney here. Look at our Santa Claus going down the chimney. What does your Santa look like? You can use your imagination and add anything you want to Santa. It's your drawing. I hope you had fun drawing with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.